Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Tuguli. Today I am going to share general knowledge about environment. Question 1. What is environment? Answer. Environment, nature, means anything that surrounds us. It can be biotic or abiotic things. It includes physical, chemical, and other natural forces. Living things live in their environment. They constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to conditions in their environment. Question 2. When do we celebrate Environment Day? Answer. We celebrate Environment Day on 5th June. Question 3. Which country is going to host World Environment Day on 2021? Answer. Pakistan. Question 4. What is the theme of World Environment Day on 2021? Answer. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration, growing trees, greening cities, rebuilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. Question 5. Which country hosted of World Environment Day in 2020? Answer. Colombia. Question 6. What was the theme of World Environment Day in 2020? Answer. Time for nature. Question 7. Which country hosted of World Environment Day in 2019? Answer. China. Question 8. What was the theme of World Environment Day in 2019? Answer. Beat air pollution. Question 9. Which country hosted of World Environment Day in 2018? Answer. New Delhi, India. Question 10. What was the theme of World Environment Day in 2018? Answer. Beat plastic pollution. Question 11. When was World Environment Day started? Answer. In 1972, Stockholm Conference in the United Nations General Assembly. Question 12. When and where was first World Environment Day celebrated? Answer. In 1974, the city of Spokane, USA. Question 13. What was the first slogan of World Environment Day? Answer. Only one Earth. Question 14. When was the act passed to celebrate World Environment Day in whole over the world? Answer. An act to provide for the protection and improvement of environment in year 1986. Question 15. What are the types of environment? Answer. First, geographical environment or natural environment. Second, man-made environment. Question 16. What is natural environment? Answer. Geographical environment is also known as the natural environment, and it consists of all the components of natural elements such as air, water, river, mountains, land, deserts, and many more. Question 17. What is man-made environment? Answer. The man-made environment, as the name suggests, is created by human beings such as village, towns, cities, and transport and communication facilities, besides various other communities. Question 18. What are the main components of natural environment? Answer. The basic components of the natural environment are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Question 19. What are the types of environmental ecosystems? Answer. The main environmental ecosystems are terrestrial ecosystem, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, marine ecosystem. Question 20. What are the advantages of environment? Answer. Improved air quality, climate change, improved water quality, biodiversity and habit protection. People lack greener challenges, negative effects, potential indicators. Question 21. What are the biggest disadvantages of environment? Answer. Acid rain, overfishing, urban sprawl, deforestation, water pollution, pollution growth, waste production, genetic modification of crops, air pollution, global warming, climate change, ocean acidification, environmental issues caused by man-made. Question 22. How can we protect our environment? Answer. By saving water, electricity, using reusable bags, avoid taking cars as much as possible, growing more trees and plants, reducing pollution, saving natural resources, reduce, reuse, and recycle, volunteer for cleanups in your community, choose sustainable, shop wisely, and plant trees. Be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. If you all liked my video, give me a thumbs up and share to all your friends. If you want like this more inspiring videos, then subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.